Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to see if we can't go pick up an old Chevy truck, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, Ed and I are off to go look at an old, well, I think it's a 77 Chevy pickup.
What is it, Texas Day coming up?
I don't know.
They do this every year. There's some guy's brakes.
There's a brake shoe laying in the road.
Texas Independence, maybe? They shoot the cannon and all that.
Buddy 9 to the top secret location of the truck. It's super top secret. This is the beautiful metropolitan area of Toller, Texas.
Oh, I get to see the old house going.
Yeah. Right there. That used to be Ed's crib.
A lot more than I thought.
Yeah.
I thought maybe you'd fill that one dumpster and that'd be it.
This is it. Don't blink.
It needs to have a bonfire.
There's an old GMC truck out here. This thing is pretty cool. Look at the curved glass on the windshield. I don't know if I've ever seen one like that.
That's the first one I'd ever seen like that, with those headlights like you know,
yeah,
they stick out like that. It's just.
I wonder what that originally was.
Van?
I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure it was some kind of a van, but I wonder like who used it. I'm sure it was just like some electrician or something like that. But it's like that is cool. I've literally never seen one like that.
When we shut the hood, we got to push down right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I have videos on how to shut these hoods.
Would they just park it one day, or that's it?
That's all I know about it,
It's got one of those dealership rear bumpers that have the...
Yeah, the dealer name welded into it or engraved into it. Yeah.
Those are popular in Texas. I don't know if they did that anywhere else.
I don't know either. I've had a million trucks with those things on them, and they're cool. I love them.
Yeah. I can't remember what it said. Longview, maybe, or Dallas. Yeah.
Oh, I've had one that had young Chevrolet from Dallas on it.
Oh yeah.
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 I had one from Longview too.
Yeah. Said 77 was the only year model that this was young.
Yeah.
This one must be some kind of an addition too, like some kind of a limited edition with that
Yes,
striping.
Is it because it's a custom deluxe?
I don't
I don't know
know.
if that has anything to do with it or not.
Yeah, I don't know. Because that looks like factory striping, and then it's a two-tone. So I bet there used to be a decal back here, but I could be wrong. They did a lot of weird stuff back then, so.
Somebody probably rubber welded off.
Yeah.
Is the floor going there too?
Yeah, a little bit right here.
I wonder if there's a transmission in it.
Yeah, there's one in it.
There is?
Yep, I can see it.
I can hear it.
Yeah.
There's not. I was hoping that hood, man. I was hoping it was good. Because those hoods all do that. I had a beautiful hood, man. And I laid it down, and some guy ran over it. That's what he was telling me. I wanted to kill him.
All right, we got the chain hooked up. We're gonna see if we can pull this back a little bit so we can get it on the trailer forward. We need to get it out of the ruts first. All right, go ahead, pull forward. You're okay.
Keep going.
Yeah. All right, hold. All right, one more. Almost. All right, hold on. You're out of the holes now. All right, go ahead and pull it. Perfect.
I was in my 30s the last time this moved.
Yeah. We made it.
So nobody complains. That's some good, probably mulch.
Yeah. All right, it's all loaded up. Let's get out of here. Grab a little snack on the way home. All right, we made her back. All right, so it's the next day. Let's take a little bit closer look at the inside on this. I think I got some good engine shots yesterday, but not really a lot of good stuff inside and underneath. So let's take a peek at this. You know, the doors are pretty nice on here. There's a little bit of rust in the rockers and the cab corners, but let's take a look inside here. Kind of get a kick out of this. All these tags nowadays are totally gone. Just a little bit of rust right down in there. We'll take a look underneath in a minute. I'm gonna jump up here, get my big butt up in here. See if I can see how many miles are on this thing. I think it reads, I think that says 47,000. Yeah, it says 47,000, but you know, that's probably turned over. But anyway, it's an AC truck. It's got one of them there Citizens Band radios in it. It's got half a gun rack. I guess that's for the sawed-off shotgun. A lot of the younger kids probably don't know what this is. This here contraption's called a map. Now let's peek underneath. Like there's a little bit of rust right up in there and a little bit right there. So this thing sat for roughly 30 years. So a little bit of rust in the rockers and the cab corners, and that fender's junk. This is going to get relegated to be a parts truck anyway. Yeah, let's look and see what options it had. Now let's look underneath. There's the gas tank right there. For those of you that remember, there was lawsuits over the placement of those fuel tanks being outside the frame rail, so if you got hit in the side, gas flew out and things caught fire. So this thing's got some remnants of a stripe on it yet, and I'm wondering what model or what option it was that gave it those stripes. They kind of look factory, and what's weird is this is a low-end truck, and it's a two-tone truck, and then it's got the remnants of that stripe on it, so that's a little interesting. It's got one original headlight in it yet. It says Power Beam on it by Guide. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this truck, and like I say, it's going to get relegated to be a parts truck.